I'm Rachel Jones, Snap Ed Educator with the University of Minnesota Extension. This is a group that I work closely with through the diversity program at Vine Faith in Action. The group is comprised of elders from the Mankato, Minnesota community. In our first class together, we discussed the basics of My Plate and sampled a variety of recipes from typical American cuisine. The elders enjoyed these recipes, but we wanted to take it one step further. This year, we asked the elders to teach us how to make their favorite foods from their own cultures. The first food we cooked together was Sambusa. Typically, this dish is fried in oil, but we wanted to demonstrate how preparing the dish in healthier ways could not only be just as tasty, but could also be more heart-friendly. When we prepared Sambusa, we cooked it 3 ways: fried, baked in the oven, and in the air fryer. They found that they really enjoyed it baked in the oven, and the air fryer was very similar to the fried version. The other dish that we made was pupusa. This dish was a great demonstration on a food that does not use much oil even when made the traditional way. Julie Hocker, the diversity coordinator from Vine, sums up this experience perfectly. The partnership between the U of M Extension and the Vine Diversity Program has flourished through the years. In all cultures, friendships are made over a shared meal. Where else can you go where women from Vietnam are learning to prepare a South American dish called pupusa, or women from El Salvador, Mexico, and Colombia are learning how to make a Somali dish called sambusa alongside their female friends from Somalia? We are more alike than different. This year, we will continue to work with the elders by demonstrating that healthy, culturally appropriate food can be made from food shelf selections, and we will continue to strive for making the healthy choice the easy choice.